Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a friendship band using an easy method. First, gather your materials. You will need 3 different colors of embroidery floss. Cut 6 strands of floss, making each strand about 60 inches long. Once cut, tie all 6 strands together with a simple knot at one end, leaving a small loop. Now, let's get started on the pattern. Take the knotted end of your floss and tape it securely to a flat surface, like a table or clipboard. This will keep your work steady. Next, separate the 6 strands into 3 distinct pairs. Arrange these pairs in the specific color order you want for your band, from left to right. The core of this friendship band is a simple forward knot. Take the leftmost strand and make a 4 shape over the second strand. Pull the first strand under and through the loop, tightening it upwards. Repeat this exact knot twice on the same 2 strands. Then, move to the next pair of strands and perform the same double forward knot. Continue this process across all 3 pairs. Keep repeating the knotting process, working from left to right, row after row. You'll see your pattern emerge as you go. Continue until your friendship band reaches the desired length, typically around 7 to 8 inches. Once it's long enough, tie a strong knot at the end to secure all the strands. Then, trim any excess floss. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.